first we will discuss why study linear algebra today. See, the modern world, it runs on data, and linear algebra is the math of data. If we talk about linear algebra, it is the math of data. Linear algebra provides the essential language for representing multidimensional information and the computational framework for processing data at scale. So now it's very clear to us that in the modern world, we are dealing with the data and we need some mathematical tools so that we can efficiently handle that data. We can represent that data. We can process that data in an efficient manner. And linear algebra is that tool. So linear algebra is that tool using which we can represent multidimensional information. And linear algebra, it also provides us the computational framework for processing data at scale. So now we are getting or we are realizing the significance of linear algebra, especially how it is a perfect tool in dealing with data, in processing data, in managing data. So every major technology today, it depends on linear algebra. So any major technology you take, it has something to do with the linear algebra.